POCUSNEO and NeoPeds Academy welcome you to the Point of Care Ultrasound Workshop.
A technical part was very good, but organization was good. يعني I did not expect إنه يكون في very high technology applied in the course, which was the case. Simulators very advanced.
I attended previously some of the ultrasound courses, but this new simulation it takes the experience to a different level actually.
It is good doctor school, just like starting with echo from normal heart to different disease. Of course, also has advanced part which help people who already know echo and maybe will extend knowledge.
Really excellent programs. It is actually starts from very basics, goes to really advanced stage. You learn a lot. There is a lot of hands-on.
The technology applied in this module, it's really very high tech and it's very well organized. So I really loved it.